In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Fox One app on your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is grab your remote control here, and down there at the bottom, you're going to want to click all the way over to where that magnifying glass is, and then click on that where it says search. Now here, you're going to type in Fox One. Okay, once you start typing in a little bit of it, you'll see that it starts to show up right there. So you can just go ahead and click all the way up to the top there and click on that Fox One icon that says videos. You'll come to this screen here where it asks you to verify for install. Just go ahead and click on install and let it do its thing. Okay, now that it's installed, you have two different options. You can go ahead and open it, or you can add it to your home screen, which will add it at the very bottom here with all your other apps. But we're going to go ahead and click on open. Okay, now it takes you to the sign up screen where you can go ahead and sign in with your credentials here, or just click on get started if you have never installed Fox One or have never signed up for it. But that's the step-by-step way on how you install the Fox One app on your Samsung Smart TV.